Wagwan everyone, welcome to another episode of Poppy Show, and in today's video we'll be making Jamaica's national dish, ackee and saltfish. Now ackee is actually Jamaica's national fruit and you could easily get it in Jamaica. However, if you live outside of Jamaica it's not so easy, so you'll have to settle for a can of ackee. So here we have our salted fish, our can of ackee, our tomato, a half an onion, a habanero pepper, and a piece of scallion. The first thing you want to do is boil your salted fish. It's extremely salted and you don't want to cook it as it is because that's not good health-wise. So you want to boil this for about 20 to 25 minutes. And once it's done, you want to go ahead and get the scales off and get the bones out. Some people cook their ackee and saltfish with the bones in. I don't like it that way, but it's a matter of personal preference. Now once that's done, we're going to go ahead and get our vegetables all chopped up. Here we have our tomatoes, onions, scallions and pepper. And guys, this is a very simple dish to make. It's very tasty and it's ridiculously easy to make. So now we're going to add in a little olive oil in our pot, medium to low heat. Then you add in your onions, your tomatoes, your scallions and pepper. And you just want to go ahead and give everything a nice stir. We're going to saute the vegetables for about 7 to 10 minutes. And we'll be stirring at about every 3 to 4 minutes interval just to make sure that everything is evenly cooked. You want to go ahead and add in your saltfish. Give everything a nice stir. And you want to cook this together for another maybe 5, maybe 7 minutes. And then we're going to add in our ackee. The ackee is already pre-cooked, obviously it was in a can. So it doesn't take long to cook. You want to add some salt, a little black pepper, and I like to add a little Mrs. Dash to mine. And you just add these to taste. Now you want to give everything a nice stir. Then you're going to leave this for about another 5 to 7 minutes. And that's it. Ackee and saltfish. Now I like to serve my ackee and saltfish with dumplings, a piece of yam, or a piece of potato. A lot of people love ackee and saltfish with fried dumplings. It's very good for breakfast. And there you have it, guys. Ackee and saltfish. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like and share the video. And until next time, peace and love, and God bless.